Do you also feel that watercolors and poppies simply belong together? And are you ready to explore different painting styles and techniques? Then I have a fun class for you, because I'm teaching you not just one or two, rather 5 different ways of painting poppies using watercolors. That means 5 beautiful projects and 5 fun techniques. Hi, my name is Garma Srivastav. I'm an artist and a freelance illustrator based in the Netherlands. I love combining traditional and digital art media to create designs for fashion, home decor, and stationery products. I also love sharing my art process and have taught thousands of students my way of creating art that's beautiful yet achievable. I've been painting since 2011, and each year during summer I get super excited seeing these gorgeous poppies bloom by the roadside. And I always try to capture their beauty using different styles and art media. Painting poppies is fun no matter what art medium you pick, but painting them with watercolors is a little extra magical. In this class, I'll walk you through the art supplies I have used. We'll look at the basic watercolor concepts that we have used in this class. We'll also have a look at different types of poppies. And after that, we'll move on to the projects. This class is meant for all skill levels. Beginners will not only learn 5 different styles and techniques, but also basic watercolor concepts like painting wet on wet, wet on dry, glazing, and tips and techniques to use masking fluid. There is special emphasis on brushstroke practice to gain confidence. All that you will learn in this class can be applied to other flowers too. If you're an experienced artist and want to explore a different painting technique, or simply want to loosen up your style, then you too will enjoy this class. Because I'm teaching you styles and techniques varying from abstract, stylized representation, all the way to loose freestyle. Your project for this class is to pick any one of the 5 painting styles and techniques I've shared in this class, and paint some poppies using it. So no matter where you are at in your watercolor journey, simply bring your art supplies and join me in this class. Let's paint some poppies.